All right, let's look at the homework 4.3, problem number 5. All right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line to this given function and at -1 comma e to the 3. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we need two pieces of information as always. Number one, we need the point, so I'm going to call it x1 comma y1. All right, so this is just a given point, so -1 comma e cubed. All right, then we need to find slope. So I'm going to call the slope m, which can be found by taking a derivative of g and plug in x1, which is -1. So we have to find that. All right, so let's find the derivative. G prime of x is equal to, all right, when you have exponential function, derivative is always just to copy exactly the same thing first, then multiply by derivative of the exponential function, the power. So derivative of that would be 3x squared minus 4. All right. So if you plug in -1, we get e to the, right? So it's a -1 cubed is -1, -4 times -1 is +4. So it's -1 plus 4. So it's e cubed, right? And then multiply by, plug in -1 here. So -1 squares 1, 3 times 1 minus 4 is -1. Right? So you can see that this is just a negative e cubed. Right? So the equation is y minus y1, which is e cubed, is equal to negative e cubed times quantity x minus x1 is -1, so it's a +1. Right? And we can simplify a little bit. So I'm going to just distribute this negative e cubed to x and 1. So we get negative e cubed x minus e cubed. Right? So to isolate y, I'm going to add e cubed to both sides. So you have a y is equal to negative e cubed x. And then if you add the positive e cubed, so that's going to go away. So this is it. All right, let's type it in. So answer we got was a negative e cubed x. All right, let's check the answer. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.